Gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Alright, so gang, in this video, we're just going to discuss what's going on in the market on how to trade the demo. So this was from yesterday. Price did go past the 50 extension mark, went all the way to the 61.8 mark. That's where it's at right now as far as Fibonacci retracement is concerned, as you can see. The next level will be the 100 level. It is 10 o'clock. So, like I said, we got in a little early. We got in a little late, around like 3 o'clock in the morning. It's like 3:30 price. The market starts at 2 o'clock in the morning. So we probably got in a little earlier. We'd have been more in profit right now. But still not bad for a 50 cent and a 20 cent. Already up $125.80 US dollars. So this is about being patient, letting your trade ride. I don't ride out for the day or for a couple of hours. You know, if you put a trade in at 2 o'clock, come check up on it right around this time. You know, check up on it periodically, making sure it's still in the direction of it's going in your overall direction of the trend. But you know, once you check the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and you see green candlesticks, meaning it's going up, you know that, you're good, so that's what we did. We put our price in around like 3 o'clock, so that's where this 20 and the 50 is at, and now it's 10:14 a.m., and, we're in profit, so it takes a while depending on your lot size. You got like, I usually trade like 50, 80 cents, $1, $2, maybe even 3. So depending on your lot size, and how much money you got in your account, depends on how much money you made for this trade. So obviously, we could ride this out for the rest of the day, or we can just close this position. We can see what goes on for the rest of the day. If we like, I'll just keep this video open, and we can see what's going on for the rest of the day as far as like if price is going to continue going that way. You would have closed out, you would have missed this little move. The price is still moving. The New York session is still going on until about 5 o'clock. So it's only 10:15 a.m. So the New York session started at 8. It doesn't usually slow down to like 12, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That's when the New York session starts to slow down. Look at your RSI, Fibonacci. It retraces all the way back to the 61.8 level. It might even go higher. On the daily, it's at the 61.8 level, which is 1.39987. We're hoping price, goes a little higher, maybe to 1.40640. Or it might not. It might just go to 61.8 and then retrace back down in a downtrend for the overall direction. But this is basically how you trade it. You can see prices going up. Just wanted to show y'all this. So depending on your lot size, how much money you got in your account, your position size, how much money you can gamble, you can make a few dollars in this market. So it's like $100 a day. That's like $3,000 a month. It's all for making 100. Obviously, we can make way more than that. 400 a day will get you to 10,000 a month, 10 bands a month. It's off of $400 a day. So it's easy, and I'll be posting a lot of clips for y'all, so to make it easier for y'all, so you know exactly what you're doing when you trade. So don't worry, I got y'all, gang. Alright, so it's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Just wanted to show y'all this real fast. How price went to 61.8 extension level. It's held in there right now. It's holding there. It's not really. It's going to 1 hour. It really didn't go past the 61.8 yet. It looks like it wants to break the 61.8 level. It's about to on a 1 hour. All the candlesticks are above the moving average line, so we're in an uptrend. It looks like it does want to break the 61.8 level. Remember, pay attention to the candlesticks that form at the 61.8 level. So there's a marble candlestick that formed at 61.8 level. Definitely wants to continue going up. If we stay in this trade, obviously almost at $200, and I believe it's going to go to 200, 250 before the end of the day. It's up. So like I said, right now you just wait this trade out. If you want, you can close it. Don't get too greedy. You know, you can obviously open more than 1 or 2 trades of a currency pair. You can have like 10. You know, depending on you. I wouldn't tell you to do that for new beginners. For how we're going to trade, we'll just do 1 or 2 pairs a day. But that's it, gang. Alright, I'll be posting more videos, you know, on what's going on in the market. For this video, we're just, you know, we can close it. You know, it doesn't matter. See, the green candlestick started off very small. Now it's starting to become larger and larger. If you would have just waited, you could see like, okay, like, wow, alright, the candlestick is still going up. It hasn't closed yet. Remember, it opens at the bottom and it's going to close at the top. It's still closing. It's still not 5 o'clock yet. 5 p.m. So the trade is still definitely active. You know, traders are still trying to push price higher and higher and higher. So it's good to know. You know, it's trying to get closer to the 70s. It's still pointing at the 70 on the RSI, meaning that, you know, we're in an uptrend. So that's pretty about it. Nice little uptrend we got going on right here. Price retraced all the way to the 61.8 extension level. Retracement level so far. Let's see if it wants to go higher, maybe even more before heading back down. Who knows? Or, you know, going back up. You know, so we'll just play it by ear. We'll just play it, you know, basically to see what's going on. You know, just keep checking on the visual charts. For this, you can get out this trade for the day. You know, fuck it. Let's just get out the trade for the day. As you see it going back up, the candlestick though is still going up. So if you wouldn't have got out this trade early, and you just let this candlestick go all the way up to, it's going to make a green candlestick, a fully green candlestick. You have to wait for it to fully form. The candlestick hasn't formed yet. It's still forming. So that's basically how you can tell, like, you know, it's still forming even on the 4-hour chart. It's forming. It's like halfway formed, but it still has, you know, a little bit to go. It might even go past the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So that's all it's really about, is just looking at the daily and a 4-hour chart and seeing which way the candlestick is going to form. If it's going to form up or it's going to form down. For the last few days, it's been forming down. Now it's forming back up. Or it might just be in a retracement, okay? Because we were in a downtrend. Overall direction of the last couple of days was downtrend. So we drawed it from swing high to swing low. Price retraced back to one of these resistance levels, 61.8, 50. See what it does there before either deciding to head back down or up. So, you know, right now it just looks like price is just held in at that 61.8 level. I don't know if it wants to go higher or not. So what we would just do for this trade, if you didn't want to wait, you just close it out. You know, you made $100, $130. Don't be greedy. You know, close the trade out and, you know, start over tomorrow. So that's what we just want to do for this video, is close it out. Boom. You just hold it down. You know, there's the third icon at the bottom. Okay, and you just hold it down and you press close. Okay, close order. Boom. So now we just profit. You go to the fourth icon at the bottom, and it'll show you your profit. How much you deposited in the beginning was $3,000, and your balance now. Profit was $126.30, and your balance now is $3,126.30. So it's pretty much how you trade a demo, and you know, with a live account, it's a little more scarier because it's actually your real money, and you have to really know what you're doing. You know, as far as, you know, real money is concerned, because you can blow your account. Trust me, I have. So I don't want y'all to stick to like 50-20 20 cents, 15 cents until you get the hang of it. Alright, gang. It's looking like it's starting to make a wick, It looks like it wants to hell at the 61.8 level. But yeah, gang, this is how you trade, off the demo. How to use the indicators for Fibonacci, trend lines, even the boxes. I showed y'all how to use the trend line in the box already. And Fibonacci, moving average, or RSI. So that's basically everything that you need to know as far as like trading. You got the extension levels right here, 1.6, 1.8. It can go to 100 and higher. But we'll just play it. That's how you basically, use all the indicators in Forex. As far as the MetaTrader 4, you don't have to go to TradingView. And basically how you trade as far as the demo is concerned. So, our next videos and a little, in the future, we're going to be doing live trades. You guys can see how I make money as far as live trades are concerned. And you can get the hang of a demo, and it won't be that bad when you live trade, and I'll be there to help y'all, so don't worry. Alright, so it's your boy NatureAkaNature. Gang.